Yo, what is up, you guys? This is Scotty Hop. So I bought another car. I got rid of the Audi. I know I only took like 1 or 2 videos of it, but I was gone and I ended up selling the car because I relocated to completely the other side of the country now. So I had to get rid of the Audi. I miss it already, but I had to do what I had to do. Luckily, we made a profit off of that car, so we were able to get another car. Now this car is a car that I've wanted for a long time. All the cars I get, I've wanted for a long time. But this car's a little bit newer, just as fast as the S4, except it's just as fast as the S4 and it's stock. So that's a plus. It's sporty. You know, I wanted something reliable, something normal. Normal is, you know, debatable, but I wanted a car that I could have for a long time. A car that I wouldn't worry about breaking down. A car that is badass stock. So it is a daily driver car. You can drive this car every day and not have any issues with it. Oh man, I don't know what else to say about it. There are some downsides of this car, I will say, but something that I've learned to you know, just get over. But I don't know what else to say, honestly. So here it is. Here is my 2011 Corvette C6. It is the base model, so it's the narrow body, but it does have the 6.2 liter V8, the LS3. It's powered by an automatic transmission with the paddle shifters, which is freaking awesome. And the color is torch red, which is absolutely freaking beautiful. Look at that. I did already do a couple modifications. I added this carbon fiber ZR1 spoiler, but it's not real carbon fiber, don't tell anyone. It's hydro dipped. Got it off of eBay. It was like 300 bucks. I think it looks pretty good. But there's the legendary circle taillights and the quad exhaust pipes. But here she is. This is the new daily driver. I'm gonna have this one for quite a while. Man, I freaking love this car. Take a look at the interior real quick. I don't really like these wheels though, I will admit. Like, this style just ain't my thing. So I'm gonna start looking at different wheels for it. Let's take a look at the interior. The interior, I'm gonna warn you guys, the interior is not what made this car awesome. In fact, a lot of people hate this interior. For me, I don't really mind it. This car is a 3LT package, which means that it has the two-tone leather interior, and then it also has a couple other things. Navigation is one of them. Start it up. Oh, love that noise. There's the Corvette startup. Let's see if it says it. Yeah, look at that. Paula's super sexy one. Yeah, we got to change that. Gotta look in the manuals on how to change that, because this is not Paula's car anymore. And you see up there? Heads up display. I don't know if you can see it, but it shows obviously miles per hour, your RPMs, fuel gauge. And then what's awesome about that too is it shows your G-forces when you're taking it into a turn, which is way cool. But this is the interior. Honestly, there's not much to say about the interior. Got navigation, which I don't even use because it's completely outdated. See, yeah, I don't like that. But here it is. Can't go wrong. It's very driver oriented, so everything is on the left side, which is, you know, common for most cars, but seriously, on the right side, all you have is your adjustment for air, AC, and heat over there. That's it. That's all you get. Another thing I like about the car is that it has a target top. See, so you can go top down and store it in the trunk. Has little clips in here to hold it down, and then this little cover to protect it even more. There you go. Perfect for summer. I love that two-tone interior. It's going to be hard to keep clean because it's like an off shade of white, more like a gray, but it's beautiful. Then under the hood we got a 6.2 liter LS3. Puts out about 438 horsepower, which is to the crank and not the wheels, so it's obviously quite a bit lower than that if we were to get it on the dyno. I want to get it dyno tested sometime, but right now it's stock. There's no need to. I want to get some mods done to it and then worry about that later. All right, you guys, now we are inside of the C6 driving around. Driving through a state park right now, so I can't be going too fast. But it is pretty quiet in its stock form, which is probably a disadvantage, I would say. You know, it's a freaking Corvette. It's supposed to be loud. But I guess I'm just used to louder cars. It has the MPP dual mode exhaust, and the valve is open. It's a little bit louder, which is the way it is now. And let's see, the paddle shifters, like I said, are still fun. It's not as fun as driving a stick. But I don't know if you guys would hear that, but it does backfire a little bit. It's pretty cool. For being stock, you know, a little bit of pops and crackles. I just love the body style of the C6. Yeah, I wish I got a Z06 because it would have the wider, you know, quarter panels, different front fenders and hood, and, you know, 7.0 liter V8 and all that good stuff. But for the budget I had, you know, I had to get a base. This is what it is. I had to get a base, but I made sure I got the LS3 because I didn't want the LS2, because this LS3 is awesome for, you know, power mods and reliability. All right, you guys, let's do a quick pull real quick. Woo! Gotta be careful on this. But that is why I bought this Corvette. Even base model, 440 horsepower is more than enough for me. At least for now, You cannot go wrong with this car. Let me hit a little downshift real quick. Woo! All we need is some Kid Rock playing and a freaking mullet, and then we'd be set. But hey, thanks a lot for watching my video. No, I'm getting used to this video making stuff, but I'm looking forward to making you know, future videos regarding this car, modifying it, driving around. We got to drive this Saturday, the Battle for Antietam drive. We'll be with about 25 other cars, so I'm sure I'll make a video then. So thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you next time. Peace.